Hello and welcome back to another episode of Sustainability Spotlights. As you can see, I'm outside of the BCTI building right now, and I will be heading in shortly to interview Dillon. Dillon is one of the students who work directly with a team to build and program a robot to help sort through recycling materials. Join me to learn more about the project.
Hi, my name is Dillon. I am a student here at Humber College. I'm also a staff here as well. So I'm currently studying in the electromechanical engineering technology program while I work part-time here at Humber, working on some sustainability projects and other things down the pipeline. So the project you see behind me is a collaboration with Barrett Center. It's a recycling project that we've done with the STEM team here. Essentially what it does is it uses 3D vision and CAD matching to find recycling within a pile of garbage and vice versa, garbage within recycling. The reason this project came to be is because in Toronto, it may not be a big problem up front, but recycling is a big problem in how we sort it. In Toronto, all the recycling, we put it into one bin as a consumer, but someone down the line has to recycle it, whether that be artisanal, aka people, or a robot, someone has to do it. So we've just kind of made a project to show kids and other people that someone is doing it. So the project you see, this is going to be it in action. It doesn't run at full speed because it is meant to be around children, so we have slowed it down a little bit. Essentially what it's doing is the camera above the big gray box is it's taking a picture, a three-dimensional picture, and it's comparing what it sees to a database of 3D CAD models that I've taught it. And essentially what it does is it'll look through, it says, oh, I've picked up a cardboard box. Well, I know the cardboard box is cardboard and it's going to go into a certain area. When you get closer, you'll see there's 3 different areas. They'll be categorized between paper, metals, plastics. And this can obviously grow if the size of the project gets bigger. If we need to sort through different plastics, different materials, maybe even the size of the box, we can do that. So eventually it will go through all the items. When it's done sorting, it'll empty and then it'll go back about itself. The project can help show that automated recycling will be the future for us because of how easily it can be implemented and how much garbage we produce. Going back to really, we need to be able to sort through our garbage faster and more reliably, and that's something the project behind me can demonstrate. So particular to this project, people who aren't too skeptical as why would you use technology over people, it really comes down to the amount of garbage and recycling that this city produces. Toronto alone, we produce a very large amount that needs to be sorted and then categorized into different sectors. Currently, the majority of it's done by people or artisanal workers that only can work theoretically 9 to 5 days a week, whereas a robot, the one behind me, can go for 3 to 4 years straight without needing any repairs. And that's 24 hours a week, 7 days a week.
This is one of the many ways that technology is driving a sustainable future, and while this project is currently being used to educate the youth about robotics, it has potential for real-world application. Thank you so much for watching this video, and join us again next month for another Sustainability Spotlight.